Some people hope that you will never remember. But I am here today to ensure that you will never forget. Because if you forget, you might just end up right back into that nightmare that you were so happy to wake up out of. I want you to watch this video, and when you're done, I'm kindly asking you to share it and repost it so others like yourself will never ever forget.
Did you know a single city watched its money become almost worthless in just 18 years? Kingston, Jamaica, in 1989 looked like any bustling capital. Street vendors sold their goods, families shopped at markets, and life moved at its own Caribbean rhythm. But then everything changed. The Jamaican dollar began falling like a stone. By 2007, it had crashed by over 1,000%. Imagine your $10 bill suddenly being worth less than $1. Every single year, the government introduced new taxes just to survive. In 1991, shopping became confusing when the new consumption tax replaced multiple old taxes. By 1999, every person needed a special taxpayer number just to do business. The streets of Kingston told the real story. Families watched prices climb while their money lost value. Small business owners struggled with constant rule changes. Banks faced new asset taxes. The country's debt exploded from 72% in 1995 to 130% by 2007. For 18 and a half years, ordinary Kingstonians lived through almost annual tax changes, watching their city transform under economic pressure.